Hi, my name is Fred. I'm a medical doctor from Lisbon, Portugal. Past June 2019, I bought the starter kit for the Rife 2 Spooky machine, and I've been using it regularly since June. Now we are in September 2019. I used it on myself and some friends and family, and I was pleased with the results. I did several programs, including the detox ones, which I will show later on the computer, and I've been feeling great. I've been doing mostly for personal use, and I'm thinking about using it in my private practice after I get more acquainted with this technology. So I do it mostly for energy levels, and so far I've felt that the programs that I've used in a way have charged my body. And although I do not exercise regularly anymore, after doing some energy programs on the Spooky2 Rife daily, I felt it was easier on my legs to do long walks without former physical preparation. I've also helped some friends with kidney stones using the kidney program, and other people with circulation issues in the legs. And regarding that, I'm still waiting to see further results. In my personal use, when I did the detox programs that I have on my computer, I felt very tired after doing the detox protocols, as is expected, according to what I said on the website and the forums of Spooky2 Rife, and some little skin changes appear in small areas of the body that look similar to what happens when the viruses die and then the skin creates small pimples. And that was okay. It wasn't painful or anything. But the detox protocols really made me exhausted. In the following day, I drank a lot of water as recommended. And afterwards, I felt lighter and I felt more energy. Usually, I do DNA repair and energy protocols that include NAD plus stimulation, 528 Hertz for DNA repair, and that's my main goal because I'm interested in anti-aging and energy for performance enhancement. And so far I felt that it charges my body progressively, going from the lower parts of my body, the legs, and then the lumbar area, the thoracic area, the cervical area, and I feel like it's charging progressively. It's not instantly, but along the way, the more I do it, I feel it's charging my physical body in a sort of gradual way, and that is an interesting effect to notice. I'm very excited about purchasing the scalar technology from Rife Spooky company, and I'm also very excited to try the more potent generators, possibly with friends, family, and in the future clients, and hopefully it will bring great results. Thank you very much for this technology, and I will show you now some of the programs I use on the computer. Hi, this is Dr. Fred. Now I'm showing you my Spooky2 Rife programs that I've created, my personal programs. So I was trying different frequencies that regard energy, DNA repair, also some regarding addiction because I work in the addiction field. And I've been very pleased with the results and the experiments that I've conducted with me, myself, my friends and family, and a couple of clients. So, for example, here I use the 111 Hertz frequency, and although it states that it concerns nicotine cravings, actually it's one of the frequencies responsible for DNA healing, 111 Hertz. So that was my purpose. The frequency I do most frequently is 528 Hertz because it's responsible for DNA repair, and I try to do it with as high as voltage as possible. I do not recommend this because usually the lower frequencies, if you put higher voltage, it will seriously impact your muscles and it will make them contract, and it's painful for most people. But I like to experiment with things, and so far I felt good effects and I'm very pleased. Usually these lower frequencies have lower voltages as well, and that's how the Spooky2 Rife is the programs in the Spooky2 Rife software are created. Usually I try to look for them, and I was looking for DNA repair, and I found many interesting programs, and I created my own personal programs and I did my own experiments. And the ones that I felt that I do more regularly and that I feel more effects are the ones regarding energy. I also did some for kidney stones for a friend of mine, and apparently it worked, and the pain subsided. And I also did some of the energy protocols for people with a lack of circulation in the lower limbs, and I'm still waiting for the results. So for example, on this program, I have the energy program that I like to run on me, and it has many different frequencies, and my goal with this program was basically to enhance my energy levels, and so far I feel it has helped to enhance in a way the physical fitness of my muscles, which is hard to assess, but basically I feel it's easier to run or walk after I do these programs daily. But that's very subjective, and I am interested in keeping on trying these programs and to see the results long term. And that's mostly it. I hope to try it on my closest friends, and hopefully one day in my clients, and have great results. So thank you for watching.